Okay, this a short video. It's been a while before I got here of doing this is a 2008 Lexus IS 250. So we're doing a timing chain. So the instruction says remove the engine from the vehicle, and I tried doing it. Then I found out I had to take the engine. I thought it was like any other vehicle, but I took everything off, but still this is still holding because there's a tube connected on the bottom of the oil pan, and it has two oil pans. Let me get this thing here. So we have to figure out another way because we don't want to take the motor out. So what we did, take the cradle off. You have the cradle sitting over here. It's pretty easy, small, 7/8 and a 19. Take it off, disconnect this electric power steering, so it's easy, no mess of power steering fluid. So it was able to come out easy. Disconnect the steering rack and every other components. And then now we have an open to drop the oil pan. Okay, look at that, wide open. So we're gonna take the oil pan off. Take that small one off first, then take the big one off, the secondary oil pan, they call it, along with the oil filter assembly housing. And then we're gonna revisit this video and show how everything is connected under here. So just a quick video for now. We'll be right back. Yeah, and that's me. See all that muscles. That's what get us. That's what. Man, take it easy before you pop your hemorrhoid.
You need some muscle.
Hey, yeah, we getting it little by little. It's been the second day with this, so we'll get back to work. Thank you for watching.